next. We are eventually going to be able to find the opening of this pack, I promise you. Maybe not. There we go. We got Chase DeJong, Drew Maggi, Casey Schmidt, Spencer Turnbull. Flip it around for Bly Madras. Flip it around for Christian Bethencourt, Brett Beatty, Tommy LaStella, Johnny Brito of the Yankees, Francisco Alvarez, some Marlins pitchers. Spencer Strider is a chrome star of MLB, so he can go up on a stand. Taylor Rogers is backwards because he's foily. And then Taj Bradley is a star of MLB.